Hi crafters, this is Crafty Savvy and I'm back today to share a thrift haul with you. I'm slightly annoyed right now because I already recorded this entire video where I actually had everything in the packages and we kind of go through it together. But something happened to the video and now I'm re-recording it. So everything is already out of the packages and the price tags are all mixed up and whatever. But what I can tell you is I'm super excited. I hit the jackpot, the mother lode. I don't know what you want to call it, but I was so excited today. My mom and I, we went out and we were going to go just to Costco, but across the road from Costco is a store called Tease. And here in Canada, Tease is like what's the other value village. Just I find the stuff there a little bit better, I'd like to say, for lack of a better term, but I'm able to find a lot of crafty stuff there usually, and today was no different. So today I was super excited. I'm pretty sure that my mom heard me kind of screaming for joy in the back corner of the store because I was like in my glory. So the first thing I found was this little piece of it's quilted. It's just a little runner size, not very big, but here I can show you this one still because I didn't take the tag off, but $1.49, and it's little cute pattern on this side, but it's quilted on this side too. And I really liked it. As soon as I saw it, I thought immediately of covering a journal with it. And so for $1.49, that's not so bad. And I have some cute other pink things that I have that I haven't really done anything with yet. And it might be the perfect journal to sort of go with this. So that was that. So that was the only thing that was different than what I'm about to show you now. So these were all in separate packages and each package was about $1.99. Some of them had 3 or 4 or 5 things in it and they cost me $3.99. So in total, everything I'm going to show you right now, plus that piece of fabric, cost me $22. So just hold on right now, okay? Okay, this is all, look how many of these there are. This is all lace. I cannot believe it. I left some there even because it was kind of duplicates. And yeah, I left them there, I know. But this is so much. I'll never go through all of this as it is. So so this might be boring for some of you, but some of you might find it as exciting maybe as I did. So I'll try to take you through them all and we'll go through it really quick. So they all range in different sizes and colors, so there's that one. And most of them, I would say, have at least, I don't think there's anything here that has less than a meter on it or a yard. In some cases, some have much more than that. So that's the first one. And then there's this one. It's a really pretty beige color. Not very stretchy, but I love that one. And there's quite a bit of that one. Promo, I don't know. Some of them still have, some of the prices on it. So yeah, $22 for this entire stack. There's just so much of it. I was so grateful to have found it. I can't get the pin off that one, but look how pretty that is. Nice width on that too. So there's that one. I don't know if somebody had a store or what the deal is, but they left it. I found it. I was very grateful to get it. Is that one super pretty? It's kind of got a sheen to it almost. So yeah. This one here, I think was the most expensive in terms of it was just this one, and I think it was $3.99, but I didn't care because it's so beautiful. At first I thought it might have some elastic, but it doesn't, but that's okay. I love this one. It's very pretty, and it's like a cream sort of color. And look, there's just tons. I can't even, like, how will I ever get through all of that? I don't know. And then there were a couple of colored ones with color in it. So there's this one. So I guess you could use this for a number of different things. Maybe if you put a little rod through it, or you know, you could put probably sew through it, and you know, and you can zhuzh it up that way. Whatever you like, scrunch it up. And it's got a little bit of red in there. That's what I liked. So there was that one, and there's quite a bit of that too. There's actually a lot of it. That one, I know, right? It's just so much. And this is probably like one of my favorites. This has got peach running through the middle, but look how pretty it is. Just love it. So I noticed that a bunch of them have this Supreme, I don't know if you could even, Supreme Laces ink, and they're from Montreal. But yeah, so pretty. I think that one is probably one of my favorites there. And then this one here is also really pretty. It's like a cream color. Really nice. I like that one a lot too. And then this one is almost like a, just, not your regular sort of lace, but I don't even know how you would explain it. It's not crocheted. I don't know, but it's pretty. It's cute. You could I could probably cut it down there too if I wanted just to use like half of it. But that one's really cute too. Not very much of that one, maybe a couple of meters anyway. And then this one's really pretty. I like that one with the scalloped edge. Really pretty. There's just a little bit of that one. So, okay, I'll make a new pile here. So far that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that's 10. And then look at this one, guys. It's super wide, but look how pretty it is. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow, I don't know if I have one this wide. Where is my ruler? Okay, my desk is a gigantic mess. Oh, it's hiding under here. Let's see. This one is about 6 1/4. Wow, so pretty. Love that one. So there's enough there to make a project with, that's for sure. So you guys, I want to know if you guys got thrift stores around you, and what kind of goodies have you found that you just couldn't not have? I know a lot of you always say to me, I wish I could come shopping with you. And, you know, it's a hit and miss. You don't always get good stuff. And, you know, I don't always get something when I go. But, you know, sometimes you just luck out. And that's what happened here. And, you know, for $22 on all of this lace, it's sort of worth it for me, because I use quite a bit of it. So what have you guys found that you just were like yelling in the store, oh my God, that's mine? Let me know. This is really pretty too. Really pretty scalloped edge there. That one. And then this is like a sort of crocheted our regular one that we use quite a bit. I like that one too. I think that's the only crocheted one in here. And then this one has 2 different styles on it. So this cute little X and O style. Really pretty, dainty and small. And then on the other side is, if I could show you, really pretty flowers on there. I like that one too. So there's that one. And then there was this inside of one of the bags. So it was kind of hiding. I didn't see it. But it's really cute trim. It's got silver in running through it. Almost like a paper. It's, yeah, like crinkly paper. I don't know. But it's cute. I'm sure I could use it here and there. So there's quite a bit of that. And then there's another wide one here. And I have something like this already, but it's really pretty. Like that one. So there's quite a bit of that. There. And then look at this one, you guys. There's probably about a meter or 2 on here. I think it's upside down, but look how pretty. It's sheer and shiny and all of the things that we love. Really, really pretty. So there's that one. And then there's this one. This one kind of reminds me of, let me just wrap it back up here. Like little apples that kind of been cut in half, maybe. Yeah, it's really cute, really pretty. And there's quite a bit of that one there, as you can see. So that's now what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's this one. This is really cute too. Really, really sheer and see-through. And then this one. Really very, very delicate and dainty. So that's what now? 10? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that makes 20 so far. So 26 in total I got. Yeah. And so, and then this one is a little bit of a mess. But there's a few different styles on here. So there's this one. Really pretty. I like that one. And then this one, which is really cute too. And then there's this one with the diamond shapes, like that one. And then finally this one. That's really pretty too. So those are all on here. And then this one, the same thing. It's got a few different styles on it. So the first one is like this. Really pretty. And then the second one looks like this. Look at those like little, I thought, oh, maybe like, I don't know, they look like little angels or bees or something. I'm not too sure. And then which one did we not see? That goes there. I think there's only 3 on here. And then this one. Really cute. So those were all on there. And then there's this one. Really cute. I like that one. And then this one, it's really pretty too. Love the leaves on there and the flowers, beautiful. Really like that one. There's quite a bit of that one too. Lots. I better get myself in gear and start making some things. And then, almost done, guys. There's this one. It almost has a vintage look and feel to it, but I'm sure it's not. I don't know which way is front, right way up. Maybe this way. I don't know. Nonetheless, it's very pretty. I like it a lot. It feels different than the rest. Because the rest are so much, I don't know, it says unknown fiber, but a lot of them are polyester too, right? So they just have that sort of slippy feel to them. And then the last one is this little trim. I like it. Just a little delicate. And there's quite a bit of that one too. So you guys, that is my big find today. Oops. There's a lot of them. I don't know how or when I'll ever get through them all, but it's nice to have a variety because sometimes, you know, you're just looking for that right thing. So there you go. So thank you for joining me and going through all of this with me. Like I said, if you've got thrift stores, or, you know, weather's getting nice now and there's going to be garage sales and, you know, church sales and rummage sales and whatever you guys call them, go to them, because you just never know. Sometimes you just get that right day where, you know, something's just waiting for you. So yeah, so thanks again for joining me, and I hope you guys are all doing well. I will be back very, very shortly. I've been working on a project that I love it. I'm having so much fun making this project, and I want to share a tutorial with you guys on how to do it. So let's stay tuned for that, and hopefully I can get that done, you know, this week. And that's it. So hope you guys are all well, and we will talk to you real soon. Okay, thank you. Bye.